Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to do a tutorial on how to improve your FPS on your games by using the graphics settings on your PC. So let's get into it, and we'll start off by going to the bottom left search bar, right, and putting in graphics settings. Okay, at the top here, click on graphic settings, left click, and you should, if you've got any already done, and this is how it will look. So what I'm going to do is if you make sure you've got two options, Microsoft Store and desktop app. Select your desktop app, click on browse. Okay, then search for your game that you want to improve. I'm going through a Steam game. Okay, so let's go for, I don't know, let's go for PGA Tour Golf. And you click the EXE, click on that, and add. Okay. As you can see, it comes up on your list. What you should do then is click on Options. I'll give you a list here. Let Windows decide, power saving, and high performance. Ideally, you need it to be on high performance. Okay, click high performance. As you can see, it's got my graphics card there. So what it's going to use is use the graphics card to produce the high performance that it requires. Okay, instead of using the PC, CPU, etc. So click on save. Okay, and that's it. So when you come to play that game now, it should play it in better FPS. Okay, I hope you understood that. Hopefully it helps you. Each game's got to be done individually. As you can check on my list, they're all at high performance, which is what I run all my games at. Look forward to seeing you in the next video. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already done so. And turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video. Thanks a lot. See you soon.